Welcome back to Build MVPs, and I just wanted to create a quick screencast for you today. I was looking around at a website I really liked, and that's Nathan Barry's website, and he does a really cool thing with a lot of his posts. He has like a really large image background at the top of his post, and I was really interested in how he does this. So I actually asked him on Twitter yesterday. I said, "Hey Nathan, what do you use to create background images at the top of your post in your WordPress blog? Is there a plugin?" He said it's a custom theme. And thought about it, and there has to be a way to actually do this. So I went in and tried to figure it out. So if you're not familiar with WordPress custom fields, it's I couldn't find it in the actual posts themselves, but there was a plugin I downloaded. I believe it's called Advanced Custom Fields. Let me check real quick. Advanced custom fields. So custom fields is a way for your variables in your post to interact with the theme, your WordPress theme in the back end. So what I did here is, well, first I created an image that I wanted to use as the top of my post. Let me just show that for you here. Here's one I created in GIMP. GIMP is a free Photoshop equivalent. I got the URL here. This is already loaded in WordPress and ready to go. Then I created a custom field called background image URL. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the background image URL for this post into the custom field that it creates right here, background image URL. Then once you do that, you're not quite done, because you need to go into the nitty-gritty code of your WordPress theme, and you need to add that in. And for me, I believe I want to add it into a single post. And I added this in yesterday, but I commented it out because I didn't finish it. So PHP, and this is specifically advanced custom fields PHP code. Get field and the name of the field. So this here is saying if get field, if this exists, then go to put this line. So all this is going to do here is just add this line of the URL into the post. Just let's get rid of the comments, save it to make sure it's doing what we want it to do. Reload this because there's just one page we're looking at, and yes, it's doing that. Now we want to go, and I don't really have time right now to style a solution, kind of what Nathan has here, like a nice custom solution, but I am just going to, and this is the Chrome console, I'm just going to copy and paste his code here, just so I can make sure that this would work if I did use this type of technique here. I'm going to get rid of this date stuff because I don't have any custom CSS for that. He would in his blog. There's extra spacing. If probably the most important part here is where the background URL is hard-coded in his. I'm going to put our I'm going to put our variable, our PHP variable, and I'm pretty sure that his website and his code does something very similar, if not the exact same thing. Reload this, see how it looks. Doesn't look nearly as good as I was hoping for. Let's see if we can debug this. My guess is that because there's nothing in this, it is not making this background very large at all. Let's see if we just add some line breaks here. And our image is not showing up, but you get the idea. Let me just change something real quick and see if this will fix this. Once again, I'm doing this on the fly, so I didn't test this before. I probably should have. And it's never a good idea to do this on a live website, but just want to make sure this plan actually works. And here we go. It's not exactly what I want it to do, but let's see if I can edit this in Chrome real quick. What do I make if you can do this with the 100%? No, maybe inline styling. You know it? Okay, that's probably the best we're going to be able to do. It's not exactly what I want 100%, but you get the point, and maybe I'll fix this up later. Thanks for checking us out today, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.